Hi my dear friends, I'm very happy to see you again. And I found lots of questions. You were asking me what do you mean everything repeats in trading, everything repeats on market? And I'm gonna explain this to you. So we have the situations. For example, I take and find these situations that I have already worked out, that I have already understood quite well. I remembered and memorized them for myself, and I tried to find them in the market. Yes, and actually you already seen how I explained this strategy, and you could already notice that fact that some patterns really repeat. Yes, some movements of the price, for example, after the impulsive breakthrough of the level, the price is likely to get into the retracement zone, and then we will face the pullback. Yes, it's one of the patterns that we work out. There are lots of them, and the tactical analysis figures as well, and that's why I am telling you that everything repeats in the trading. And it is very important to memorize all the citations that I'm giving to you. Yes, because you can find them in your own trading. Of course, you will learn to trade in your own way. I mean, you will create your own strategy and you will find your own citations. But if you're only the beginner, it will be the very good start. You will understand how to find the citations, how to open the transactions, and what time expiration is better to choose. Yes, as for me, I usually open my transactions from 1 minute to 3 minutes. Sometimes it can be 5 minutes, but it's time with the reserve. Yes, because we must take into account all the moments when it can be the pullback or the flat zone and something like that. So guys, if you are interested in today's strategy, like this video right now and subscribe to the channel. And also I'm offering you the Telegram chat. It is closed community of traders, and there we collect the trading signals with very brilliant profitability. These trading signals are with profitability of more than 85%. Sometimes it's even more, and I am giving these trading signals to my guys, and I'm inviting you to become one of them. I'm just creating the membership of the very good guys who are interested in this sphere that I love, that I adore, and I want to be among the people who can charge me, who can motivate me, and I can motivate them as well. So let's become this membership together. Find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private to my personal Telegram messages, and then I will add you there very fast. So guys, let's start our trading.
Hi guys, today I will show you, yes, again, the support and resistance levels, and also the uptrends, downtrends, how to recognize them and how to find the citations on the market. Well, today our supreme goal is to find the working citations and get the profit from them. As already many of you know, everything is constantly repeated on the market, and you need just to recognize those situations and make the right decision, open the correct transactions. And if you're watching this channel for very first time, maybe you will like this strategy, so watch this video to the end. Of course, you know that if you trade every day and enough time, you will get the experience. This time of experience, these minutes of practice will help you in the future. So let's discuss the very first entry point. I will explain it to you. So as you can see, this is the support level, and at the moment, after the pullback from the level, the price is sticking to this level, and already it's going beyond the level. Yes, so in this situation I will open a trade down for 1 minute because the price has the amazing potential for decrease, and this is, as I said, sticking to the level, and this is a high chance that this level will be broken through, and I suppose that 1 minute must be enough for that. Let's check it. So it's very nice, the price really broke through this level, we got the profit here. So after the breakthrough there was the logical roll back up, but in this situation 1 minute was quite enough, and it's a very good start. Let's continue and find the next entry point. So this is the support level, and you can also notice at the moment this is the very confident one directional movement. Also there is some place to the support level, and also the price has been moving down quite confidently and impulsively. And in this situation I will open a trade down for 1 minute, because this is a very high probability the price will move down to the level, because this is the amazing potential for a decrease, and 1 minute will be quite enough, even if we take into account the small flat zone or the slight pullback up. Well guys, let's check what can happen here. So guys, it is very good. As you can see, the price really got to the small retracement zone. There was a rollback upwards, but then the movement continued and we made the profit here. So this pattern really works fine. Let's continue. So this above the resistance level, and we can also notice that the price has been sticking to this level, and also the price lows are becoming higher, and the price has a very good potential for an increase. And in this situation I will open a trade up for 2 minutes, because I suppose that in the very near future this level will be broken through, because the price is already going beyond this level. Yes, and these 2 minutes I have put with the reserve, because I take into account the possible flat zone. Let's check it. Well, it's not bad. The price really broke through the level of resistance and we made the profit here. Everything is very fine. Let's continue. So this is the support level again, and at the moment the price has confidently approached our level, and this is already the second touch of this level for last 12 minutes. So in this situation I will open a trade down for 2 minutes, because I'm sure there will be the breakthrough of the level, because the price has the excellent potential for a decrease, and also this time with the reserve, because I think there can be the flat zone or the slight rollback upwards. But as you can see, the price has been moving down very confidently, but we need to check it. So that's excellent. The price really continued moving down. This level is broken through now and we got the amazing profit. So let's continue and find the next entry point. So this is the support level, and also the price touched this level, then bounced. And now, after this bounce, the price has been moving again to the level with a very good red candlestick. So in this situation, I will open a trade for 1 minute only. It will be the up movement, because this level is quite strong, and I think that in the near future, from this level, there will be at least a small rollback upwards, and there will be some kind of retracement movement, because the price approached this level with very confident red candlesticks. So guys, that is very good. As you can see, this level is quite strong, and there was a rollback up from the level. The price got to the retracement zone, so everything is very fine. Let's continue. Well, this is the resistance level, and we can also notice that the price approached this level with confident green candlesticks, and this is the continuation happening from this level. Let's open a trade down for 1 minute. I think that in this situation, after such a confident approach to the level with good impulsive green candlestick, there will be the retracement movement and the roll back down, because as a rule this situation works out in this way, and 1 minute will be quite enough. Well, let's check what can happen here. So that's very good. As you can see, the price really got to the retracement zone. There was a roll back down, but we made the profit here. Everything is very fine. Let's continue. So guys, this is the same currency pair after a while, and you can also notice after the flat zone, this level is really broken through, and at the moment the price has been moving up very impulsively, and also after the breakthrough of the level, the price is slowing down and starting to stop. Yes, let's open a trade down for 1 minute, because as in most cases after such the impulsive breakthrough of the level, there must be the retracement movement, and therefore in this situation it is more likely to see the roll back down. As a rule, 1 minute is usually enough for these situations, and after the impulsive breakthrough of the level, the next candle is smaller. yes, than the previous one. And also you can see the long wicks up, and this rotation tells that this is the attenuation and there will be the rollback down very soon. Let's see what can happen here. Well, it's not bad. As you can see, the price really got to the retracement zone. There was a rollback down. We made the profit here. Yeah, this situation is very amazing. Let's continue and find the next situation in the market. Well, this is the support level at the bottom, and also you can notice the very good confident downward movement, and also there is some place to the support level. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes down, because the price has very great downward potential and there is a high chance the price will move to this level. And I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough, and even if you take into account the small flat zone or a roll back up, because this is quite possible. After one way impulsive movement, the price may get into the retracement zone and also the rollback can occur. Let's check it. Well, it's quite good. As you can see, closer to the level, the price slowed down, but then there was a slight roll back up, but then the downward movement continued and we made the profit. So this is the excellent potential for a decrease. Well, let's open the one more. It will be the last transaction for today. So this is the resistance level at the top, and you can notice that there has been the very confident uptrend. The price touched this level, then bounced down, and now the price is again moving towards this level. Thus the price lows are becoming higher. The price has the amazing potential for an increase. Well, let's open a trade up for 2 minutes. So in this situation, the price is likely to keep on moving towards this level and can even break it through. So this time is with the result, because if it is the retracement movement or a rollback, we will be ready for it. So guys, the price slowed down a little, but then the upward movement continued and this resistance level is broken through now. So we made the excellent profit, and this situation is very good. Well, my deposit is $25,000 and it means that we can finish for today, because as you remember, we are against the overtrading and it is very important to fix the profits in time and then leave the market for today, because tomorrow we are going to continue and finding these interesting situations, recognizing them and opening the correct transactions. Well, in this video I showed you how to work with the market, with the chart, how to find the situations, and for you it's just to practice to try to find the similar situations and open the transactions right.
And now you could see these patterns and these situations, and they really repeated, yes. And I guess that you have written down all these moments that you found valuable for yourself, because yes, I recommend this strategy every time when I shoot the video, because first of all we memorize, then we practice. The practice is the most difficult part of the thing that we want to learn, yes, but anyway the practice will give you the best results. So guys, I'm inviting you to my Telegram chat. Find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private. I will add you to this closed chat and we will be trading together in one team. And also guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write in the comment what you would like to see in the next episodes, and I'll see you next time.